it's a lady in London here. Today I'm coming to you from Paddington, where I'm going to take you on my free self-guided walking tour of the area. This part of London is known for its beautiful Mews streets, and there are a lot of them to discover. I can't wait to take you around and show you. As always, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, but first let's go see what we find. This walking tour starts at Paddington Station. It's on several lines of the London Underground, the Elizabeth Line, and Main Line rail routes, and it's easy to get to by train. You can also get here on local buses or on foot from other parts of London. Before you start off, don't forget to visit the cute Paddington Bear statue in the station. It's right by Platform 1. Once you exit the station, you'll spend some time exploring some of the area's famous Mews streets and pretty squares. It's a great way to get to know the highlights of the neighborhood. From London Mews to Norfolk Square, there's a lot to love about this area. There's also a hotel I recommend staying in if you need somewhere to stay around the station. I'll put a link to where you can book it in the description of this video on YouTube. From the Mews, you'll walk down tree-lined streets like Sussex Gardens. You'll also pass Talbot Square as you make your way to Spring Street. On Spring Street, you'll pass by some restaurants and coffee shops where you can stop for a snack or a rest if you need to. From there, you'll continue your walk on Conduit Mews, which has famous colorful facades. The next part of the walk will take you through some of the most famous Mews in Paddington. You'll get to see all kinds of beautiful, colorful Mews houses and lots of cozy corners. The streets in between the Mews are dotted with local pubs and eye-catching architecture. Eventually you'll reach Bayswater Road, where you can take a detour into Hyde Park if you want to. The Italian Gardens and the Serpentine are here, so it's a great place to explore the park for a bit. Back in the neighborhood, there are more pretty Mews streets to see and some interesting blue plaques. Eventually you'll reach a unique Mews that's known for having horse stables. It's a great place to explore. When you reach St. Mary's Hospital, you'll see the Alexander Fleming Museum. You can go inside if it's open. It's a free museum dedicated to the life and work of Sir Alexander Fleming, a Scottish scientist who's best known for his discovery of penicillin. Thanks for coming with me on this walking tour. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's inspired you to get out and explore this part of London yourself someday. It's a really beautiful place, and there's lots of hidden streets to find here. As I mentioned before, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and you'll also find the link to the post in the description of this video on YouTube. Happy walking!